Going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. Got a single-family residence on the north side of Akron in the Chapel Hill area, and this property is listed for $27,000. And me and my partner's gonna be making a cash offer on this. The comps in the area in this particular subdivision is over 100,000, so the comps are looking pretty strong. Definitely got some work that needs to be done in here. So as we put our numbers together for what it's going to cost to fix it up, we're definitely going to be making an offer on this. So if you or somebody you know that's thinking about selling a property in the near future, definitely keep us in mind. We are looking to buy at least a dozen or so properties in 2018 in the Akron Canton area. If you have a property for sale, we do buy houses in as-is condition. We don't charge any real estate commissions, and we pay in cash, and we look to close in less than 30 days. You can reach us at 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com. If you're an investor who is interested in investment properties, single families, multi-families, we do have great inventory at below market value. You can reach us at the same number, 330-685-2220. We have great properties for fix and flippers or for landlords. Talk to y'all later.